Primetime news this evening. Government gives update on COVID-19 restrictions. The worst is yet to come. The WHO sounds off warning about the COVID-19 pandemic. And JFJ rejects time limit for sexual harassment complaints.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather. But before the break, our feedback question.
Our question this evening: what measures, apart from legislation, could be implemented to deal with sexual harassment?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.